Hey folks, what's up? Welcome to this introduction to the React Performance series. And in this series, we're going to take a look at potential React specific performance issues and improvements. And what I'd like to note here is that React applications are not that different from any other kind of applications, whether it's built with other like things like Angular or Vue or just plain JavaScript, or whether it's more like a website. Still like general web development, like good web development practices also apply for React applications. So that's why you also shouldn't forget about tools like Lighthouse, which is built into your Chrome browser, or for example the web.dev platform, GTmetrix, Pingdom. Those are all tools that generate reports, and usually also have like a section about performance, how you could improve that. So you shouldn't forget about that. But in this series, we're going to focus on the React specific things. So of course, this section will all be about performance. But in the at least in that video, in the monitoring section of this course, we'll also be taking a look at Web Vitals, which is also performance related. So I can definitely recommend you to watch that as well if you're interested in performance. Now, to get started, I have actually some pretty good news for you, because React is already pretty performant out of the box. And that's also why you should take as a rule of thumb that you shouldn't worry too much about performance unless you or your users are experiencing problems using your application, right? Of course, then you have a valid reason to take a look what can be improved. But generally speaking, you shouldn't spend too much time on optimizing or improving your app for performance, because most of the time you will spend a lot of time, and it's not really worth it. So try to take as a rule of thumb, only start putting in time when it's really, really necessary. So having that said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.